Hey YouTube, it's going to be a quick video. I'm going to talk about this Nilüfer Yanya song called Same Damn Luck. Pretty harsh song if you listen to the lyrics. It's like about wishing someone would just go away. This is the same note, by the way. It's just playing in two different positions. Alright, and I've got a chorus effect and kind of like something like a jazz amp. I wouldn't be surprised if she was using like a Roland jazz chorus on this amp. So that's the first part. We're playing strings 4 and 3 at the 4th fret, and we're sliding into the 6th. That's the first part. Then we go back down and we slide 4 to 3. That would be the first phrase, I would say. All right, next we go to the 1st fret and we play again strings 4 and 3. All right, and that's like a you could do a slide down or you could do a pull off. Okay, so that's the second part, is this little slide from 3 to 1. And that means you're playing these notes on the 3rd fret 2 times. You're playing it on the first phrase, and then you're playing it again on the 2nd phrase. And then the 3rd phrase, I think, is just a slide. Now we're switching string sets. We're going to play strings 5 and 4. And with our ring finger, we're going to slide up and down to the 6th. Sometimes I think I just hear one string, just the 4th string. Oh, sorry. What I did there is sometimes you may get the 3rd string in there, or the 2nd string. And that's okay on some of these, because sometimes this shape is based on, like this would be based on a C sharp. So you could play all 3 strings, 4, 3, and 2. Okay, that's my tutorial on that riff. Alright, we're just talking about the riff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun playing that. Bye.